Welcome to Hantec Financial Market Review. Today, we would like to talk about gold rallies on U.S. data and Middle East tensions, USD/JPY slips amid US-Japan trade talks. Gold prices have extended their rally for the second consecutive day, trading near $3,386 per ounce, just shy of the key $3,400 resistance level. This upward momentum is driven by softer inflation and labor market data from the United States, which have increased expectations for Federal Reserve interest rate cuts. The U.S. Producer Price Index showed a modest rise year over year, with core inflation easing slightly, while weekly unemployment claims remained elevated above 240,000 for the second week in a row. These factors are weighing on U.S. Treasury yields and the U.S. dollar, with the dollar index hitting three-year lows. Meanwhile, geopolitical tensions in the Middle East are escalating as Israel reportedly considers military action against Iran, further boosting gold's appeal as a safe haven. On the trade front, the U.S. and China have agreed on a framework to implement a trade truce, pending approval from both nations' leaders. This agreement addresses export restrictions, including rare earth elements critical to various industries, and aims to stabilize global supply chains. The trade deal adds to the cautious optimism in markets, although tariff threats persist. In currency markets, the USD/JPY pair is trading near the psychological 144.00 level, down 0.65%. The pair's weakness reflects concerns over U.S. tariff policies and ongoing trade negotiations between the U.S. and Japan ahead of the Group of Seven meeting. Japan, as a major holder of U.S. Treasury securities, is pushing for a fair trade deal amid rising inflation pressures from U.S. tariffs on its key exports. The outcome of these talks may influence near-term movements in the USD/JPY exchange rate. Looking ahead, market participants will focus on upcoming U.S. economic data and the Federal Reserve's monetary policy meeting scheduled for mid-June. Summary: gold rises on U.S. data and Middle East risks. USD/JPY weakens amid US-Japan trade talks. Thank you for watching Hantec Financial Daily Market Review. See you next time.